So hey everybody, welcome to my vlog. Today we'll be reviewing the Happy Client playset. It's a vending machine, so it has tons of meat pieces. Here's the vending machine, the sign, and the vase is over here. And it came with some coins. So you can collect anything. So this is what I got, the capsule machine. This is what I really want. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go to the other side instead. Alright guys, here it is. So here's the places. I'll be taking it out. Oh my gosh, there. Woo! So here's the vending machine. It cannot go unless if you put a coin in over there. So this is where we'll be getting our coins. I don't know how to open it, but we'll see later. So here is our capsule toys. So let's go ahead and fill it up. How do we do this? Well, I'll think of that later. Here are some coins. There's 6 of them. I'll go pop it open. 1 coin. 2 coins. 3. 4. 5. And 6 coins. Over there, they're all 10. Over here. So let's go get the base. Oh, it's hard. So that's where we'll be putting it. Ta-da! And here's the sign. Everybody. Okay, now here's our gumbo. Or I don't know if it's called a gumbo machine, but I'll just call it a capsule. Is there mini capsules over there? Oh, that's where you put the coins. Now I'll just find a way to open this. Oh, okay. There has to be a way. Doesn't says any instructions. So my brother will be helping me open the capsule to enter these toys. Wow! No! It's on the top! How am I supposed to fill the gumball? So while my brother is checking it out, while my brother is trying to fix it. Oh my gosh, they're falling apart, guys. Ah! Oh my gosh, sorry. Okay, bad luck, I lost one. Okay, so here's one. Hold on, guys. Right, so here are the balls. There 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I kind of might have lost the rest. So we'll see. So they will land like this. Alright guys, hold on.